Add cloves to your tea. You won't believe what will happen. One of the indispensable spices of all cuisines around the world are cloves, which are very beneficial for your health. Cloves are rich in vitamins and minerals. They are especially good for your digestive and immune systems and can be used in various ways. Let's explore some clove tea recipes together. First recipe. Ingredients: black tea leaves, 3 to 5 cloves, hot water, sliced lemon peels. How to prepare it? Put a spoonful of tea in a small teapot. Add boiling water and brew it. Once the tea is brewed, add 3 to 5 cloves and lemon peel slices. Let it steep for a while. Now you can enjoy your clove tea. Second recipe. This recipe is recommended by a Turkish professor, Dr. İbrahim Saraçoğlu. Ingredients: a cup of freshly brewed hot tea, 10 to 12 dried cloves. How to prepare it? Add 10 to 12 dried cloves to a cup of freshly brewed hot tea. Let it steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Drink it slowly. It is recommended to drink it without sugar. If any cloves come into your mouth while drinking, gently crush them between your teeth and let them dissolve. If you are having a second cup of tea, you can reuse the cloves from the first cup. Do not add new cloves. You can drink this clove tea 4 times a week with a maximum of 2 cups a day. Benefits of clove tea. 1. Boosts your immune system. Cloves contain vitamin C, which play a key role in strengthening your immunity. Cloves increase white blood cell count and help fight infections. They boost your daily resistance and reduce fatigue. It's a highly effective natural remedy for treating colds and similar ailments. 2. Promotes digestive health. Cloves can enhance the secretion of digestive enzymes, keeping your digestive system balanced. This spice is also rich in fiber, which helps prevent constipation. It can also alleviate issues such as stomach pain, nausea, and gas. Studies suggest that cloves may protect against stomach ulcers by increasing mucus production in the stomach. 3. Reduces tooth pain. Cloves have a local anesthetic property, which means they can numb the affected area. You can place a crushed piece of dried clove on your aching tooth or cavity. Additionally, the gallic acid in cloves provides pain-relieving properties. However, if you have a serious dental issue, it's best to consult a dentist. Cloves can also freshen your breath, helping to prevent bad breath. 4. Good for your bones and joints. Cloves contain compounds like flavonoids, manganese, and eugenol. Thanks to these, cloves help increase bone density and actively support bone formation. Manganese, in particular, is a very important mineral for this purpose. 5. A powerhouse of antioxidants. Cloves are rich in polyphenols, which can help lower cholesterol and blood pressure. They improve the function of your arteries and increase their flexibility. Cloves also protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals. 6. Regulates your blood sugar levels. Cloves are known for mimicking the role of insulin in the body. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from your blood to your cells. The compounds in cloves help regulate blood sugar. Cloves increase insulin secretion and improve the function of insulin-producing cells. Studies suggest that consuming small amounts of cloves may reduce risk factors for diabetes. 7. Supports mental health. If you often feel tired or tense, try drinking clove tea. Cloves help fight stress and have calming properties. They reduce mental fatigue that builds up throughout the day and help you feel more energized. If you want to be informed about the latest videos in our channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. In this way, you'll be notified whenever we upload new content.
Have a healthy and pleasant day.